Okay, students of class 7, today we will do a few questions of exercise 9.1 rational numbers. I have taken one previous class of rational number. So students, today we will do first question of exercise this. List 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. So students, as you know that -1 and 0, these are two integers, and integers are also rational numbers because we can write -1 as -1 upon 1. 0 can be written as 0 upon 1. So you can see in the integer line, student, this is integer line, and 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 infinite numbers, and similarly -1 -2 -3 and ahead. So between -1 and 0, in this integer line you see that between -1 and 0 there is no any other integer. So how can we find 5 rational numbers between these? So first of all, students, we find equivalent rational numbers as I taught you in the previous class. -1 can be written as -1 upon 1, and 0 can be written as 0 upon 1. Now students, multiplying by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, and multiplying here also by 2, 2 0 is 0, 2 1 is 2. Similarly, students, multiplying by 3, multiplying by 4, multiplying by 5, multiplying by 6, we find other equivalent rational numbers of -1 and 0. So students, first rational number, second rational number is this: -2 upon 2, 0 upon 2. So between -2, see only the numerator -2 and 0. Between -2 and 0, we have only one rational numbers, but we need 5. So multiplying by 3, check here, between 0 and -3, -3 and 0. So we have only two integers, -2 and -1. Similarly, students, between -4 and 0, we find three rational numbers. Between -5 and 0, we find four rational numbers, and between -6 and 0, we find five rational numbers. You can also multiply by 7, by 8 if you don't find five rational numbers, because in this question we have to find five rational numbers, so it is enough to multiply by 6. So between -6 upon 6 and 0 upon 6, now students, -1 is equal to -6 upon 6, we have to consider this now, and 0 we have to consider this, 0 upon 6, 0 upon 6 means 0 again. So five rational numbers between -1 and 0. So students, from -6, this one, and 0, so between -6 and 0, we have these integers: -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0. Student, these numbers are in ascending order. -6 is the smallest, -5 is greater than -6, -4 is again greater, -3 is greater than -4, 0 is greater than all these negative integers. So students, from -6 to 0, we find -5 upon 6, -4 upon 6, -3 upon 6, -2 upon 6, -1 upon 6. These are the five rational numbers between -1 and 0. Similarly, students, you have to do this second question yourself. You have to find five rational numbers between -2 and -1. Now let's do one more. We have to find this time five rational numbers between these two rational numbers. Students, in the previous question the denominators were same because there were no denominator. When there were no denominator, we had taken them as 1 and 1, but here the denominators are 5 and 3. So first of all, making the denominators same as we studied in the previous classes, LCM, by taking LCM of denominator. So taking LCM of denominators 5 and 3, we find the LCM 15. So making denominators 15, -4 upon 5, 5, how can we make it 15? Multiplying by 3. So multiplying numerator and denominator both by 3, we find this rational number -12 upon 15, and multiplying -2 upon 3 by 5, we find equivalent rational number of -2 upon 3 as -10 upon 15. Now students, we have to consider these two rational numbers because now denominators have become same, 15 and 15. Now -12 upon 15 and -10 upon 15. So how many rational numbers or how many integers comes from -10 to 12? Only -11 comes between -10 and -12. So but we need five rational numbers. So Students, again finding equivalent rational numbers. Multiplying by 2, minus 12 upon 15 will become minus 24 upon 30. Similarly, minus 10 upon 15, when multiplied by 2, it will become minus 20 upon 30. And similarly, students, and we will multiply till we get 5 rational numbers. So minus 36 upon 45, minus 30 upon 45. Students, here minus 31, minus 32, minus 33, minus 34, minus 35. We can find 5 rational numbers between these two. So it was not needed, but you can write also from here. Minus 48, and between minus 40 you have to write only 5 rational numbers. So 5 rational numbers between these two numbers. You can use any of these two. If you can use these, so you will write minus 31 upon 45, minus 32 upon 45, minus 33 upon 45. And if you have to use this one, you can also find 5 rational numbers between these two. Minus 41 upon 60, minus 42 upon 60, minus 43 upon 60, or minus 47 upon 60, minus 46 upon 60, minus 45 upon 60, minus 44 upon 60, and minus 43 upon 60. So students, hope you understood this question. Now fourth one you have to do yourself. You have to find 5 rational numbers between 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. First of all, you will take LCM and you will make the denominator same, and then you will find the equivalent rational numbers to get the 5 rational numbers between these two numbers. Now students, question number 2 and question number 3 you have to do yourself, as I taught you in the previous class, finding the equivalent rational numbers. So thank you.